Today we will talk about Cable Fault Pre-Locator. If we connect the wrong wire, a warning like this will appear on the screen. So before test, we should guarantee wires are connected correctly. There are 3 modes of tests: TDR, ICE, and MIM. Then we select the corresponding mode according to the cable length. If the cable is long and we choose a short range, the report content cannot be displayed on one screen. If the cable is short and we choose a long range, we may not be able to see the specific peaks and troughs at all. And next, we can select the corresponding mode according to the cable material. After all selections are made, click OK. And then, we can get sampling and testing. After test completed, we can get conclusion and know the location of cable fault. In addition, we can adjust the width of the peak according to the button.